Ready, start. We cannot but notice that even in the order of the special court, there is no reference to any allegation made by the complainant as against accused number 2, semicolon, the appellant herein, full stop. We cannot but observe, as seen from the records produced before us, that the complainant had once sought for withdrawal of the complaint by way of an application, semicolon, which application itself was later withdrawn, full stop. The investigation at the first stage was carried out by the Superintendent of Police, Gandhinagar, who was relieved from the case, and the special judge himself had directed the Anti-Corruption Bureau, Gujarat State to take over the investigation. Full stop. It was the Anti-Corruption Bureau, Gujarat, who filed the inquiry report, which is produced as Annexure P-3 along with the memorandum. Full stop. We have looked at the policy of 2004, which, as pointed out by the learned senior counsel for the appellant, is extracted in the report within bracket available in page 109 to 113 of the memorandum of SLP bracket close, full stop. The said policy framed by the Fisheries Department is approved by the Cabinet and the Chief Minister of the state, full stop. The policy speaks of beneficial allotments of reservoirs in tribal areas, semicolon, up to 20 hectares to local tribal individuals, after providing wide advertisement, at an upset price, full stop. Those having area between 21 to 200 hectares to local tribal societies, and in its absence to individuals, which applies even to reservoirs with area between 200 to 10,000 hectares, but alternate measure entitling the grant only to societies under the sub-plan in case of absence of a willing local society, full stop. Even those reservoirs in excess of 1,000 hectares within tribal area can be allotted on an upset price, full stop. The tendering process is a mandate only in reservoirs outside the tribal areas, with provision for reservations and relaxation in so far as tribals and societies, full stop. We do not find any inquiry having been carried out as to the location or area of the various reservoirs for which the grant is made, full stop. Be that as it may, even if the grants have been made, all in non-tribal areas, even then the ingredients of the offences alleged under the Prevention of Corruption Act is absent, full stop. The only charge is with respect to misuse of authority, which does not come under the provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act, and none of the ingredients regarding demand or obtaining or acceptance of bribe or any illegal gratification has come out, full stop. The accusation was only that the policy of the state required a tender process to be adopted, but the minister had sanctioned the grant of fishing rights on an upset price, which is alleged to be misuse of authority, especially since the policy can be deviated from, only on orders of the chief minister or the cabinet, as per the policy document and the rules of business framed, full stop. The investigation report, as we observed, speaks only of an allegation of misuse of authority, without any allegation of demand and acceptance of bribe as against the appellant, full stop. The presumption under section 20 of the Act is that, if there is a demand and acceptance of bribe, then there is a presumption that it is to dishonestly carry out some activity by a public servant, for which, first, proof will have to be offered of the demand and acceptance, full stop. It is not otherwise that, if there is a misuse of authority, then there is always a presumption of a demand and acceptance of bribe, resulting in a valid allegation of corruption, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondent also led us to the statements recorded, as coming out from the investigation report, which are only with respect to such demands made by the Minister for State, the first accused, and not as against the second accused. Full stop. We accept the contention raised by the appellant that there is not even an iota of material available from the investigation report, the pre-charge statements recorded from the complainant or the police officers, or even the statements of persons questioned by the investigation team, as available in the report, to attract the ingredients of the provisions under the Prevention of Corruption Act. Full stop. We are of the opinion that the discharge application of the appellant ought to have been allowed by the special court, especially since there is not even an allegation of demand and acceptance of bribe, by the second accused slash appellant. Full stop. We make it clear that the observations made by us with respect to the first accused, insofar as the allegations having been raised, is only to emphasize that even such an accusation is not available as against the appellant herein. Full stop.